Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This tutorial is a two-part series designed to help you understand and maximize the use of Builder Information Systems report queries and the report preview features. Part 2. Report preview features. Once you've generated a desired report query, you have many features and tools available to assist you with the information when you preview the report. Let's take a look at those features. As an example, we will preview the Vendor Ledger Detail Report. Access the query screen by selecting Vendor Ledger in the blue area on the far right of the Accounts Payable module using the My Desktop View option, or by going to Reports in the menu, Accounts Payable, and selecting Vendor Ledger. On the Report Query screen, set the report type to Detail. Under Options, check Active. Set all field operators to All and preview the report. First, note the icons for Print, Export Report, and Email Report are available in the Report menu above the Preview window. Selecting any of the icons will provide the option as discussed in Part 1. The Preview window displays the report information as specified by the query settings and may display hyperlinks for pertinent information within the report. The hyperlinks within the previewed report are part of Builder Information Systems' trademarked Drill Down Plus functionality, which allows you to drill down through several layers of additional information and may allow you to modify transactions on the fly if needed. Now note the preview menu icons displayed in the footer bar at the bottom of the program. Each icon provides an option or feature available from the preview screen. Placing your cursor over the icon will display the name of the icon. Starting at the left is the Table of Contents. Selecting the icon will put the report's Table of Contents to the immediate left of the previewed report. The Table of Contents organizes the report by the primary endeavor of the query, in this case by vendors. Simply selecting the vendor number in the Table of Contents will take you directly to the vendor's information, allowing you to quickly toggle to different vendors throughout the report. This is especially useful when previewing large reports. Select the icon again or click the X in the upper right of the Table of Contents area to hide the Table of Contents. Second icon from the left is Show Hide Ruler, which puts ruler demarcations along the left and top of the report if needed. Selecting the icon again will hide the rulers. Third is Copy Page. Selecting the icon will copy the contents of the current page to the workstation's hidden clipboard, which can then be pasted into a Word document and such. The binocular icon represents the Find feature. It will allow you to enter specific alpha or numeric information to find in the report. Simply enter the information, set the desired match setting and the direction in which to search, and click the Find Next button. If the information is in the report as entered, it will take you to either the first or last record depending on the direction initially selected. Clicking the Find Next button again will take you to the next record in the search if available. The icon to the right of Find allows the pages to be displayed on screen as one or more pages simultaneously. This is done by clicking the drop-down arrow to the right and selecting the one-by-page configuration desired from the listed options. Next are Zoom In and Zoom Out to incrementally magnify or demagnify the current page. Note this only functions with the 1x1 setting with the previously discussed option. To the right of Zoom Out displays the percent magnification. This may also be modified by changing the percent using the drop-down arrows to the right and selecting the desired magnification, or entering the percent desired in the field. The area to the right of percent magnification will display any usable VCR buttons to scroll through the existing pages of the report. From left to right will be First Page, Previous Page, then a window which will display the current page number / total pages. Next is Next Page and Last Page button. If there is only one page in the report, all VCR buttons will be grayed out. If you are on the first page of a multi-page report, both the first page and previous page VCR buttons will be grayed out. Conversely, if you are on the last page of a multi-page report, both next page and last page VCR buttons will be grayed out. Simply use the VCR buttons to scroll through the pages as needed. To the right of the VCR buttons are backward and forward, which provide additional limited movement within the report. Next is Deactivate Hyperlinks. This function allows you to turn off the hyperlinks within the report. This provides a cleaner look to reports when printed and eliminates confusion for recipients with reports generated in various formats by the export report and email report functions, noting that hyperlinks do not work in the external report files. Simply click the icon to deactivate or reactivate the hyperlinks. The second AB icon allows you to change the looks of the hyperlinks. This is done by clicking on the arrow to the right and selecting a hyperlink look from the drop-down list. The icon to the far right is the refresh button, which will update the report information if any modifications have been made within the report. One final note: the date format as displayed in reports and the placement of the company name at the top of each report may be modified by changing the settings on the Miscellaneous tab in System-Wide Parameters under the Administrator menu. Builder Information Systems report system provides a wealth of information to assist you with the success of your business. I hope this two-part tutorial helps you in that endeavor.